Hi students, I am Dr. Anurag Agarwal and this is OSN Academy since 1998. I am sure you have waited for a long time and remember, patience always pays. The time has come and the clock has struck once again. The moment is here. NTA has already released the notification for the new exam dates. एंड नाउ स्टूडेंट्स सारी कंफ्यूजन अब दूर हो चुकी है जितना हम सब परेशान हो रहे थे। 14 सितंबर 2020 को जब सारे भारतवर्ष के बच्चे बहुत डिस्ट्रेस फील कर रहे थे कि अब क्या होगा तब क्या होगा, तो 16 सितंबर 2020 को हमें एक रिलीफ मिली जब एनटीए ने ये नोटिस निकाला कि एग्जामिनेशंस आर पोस्टपोन्ड and due to the overlapping of the subjects in one of the other examination which was to be conducted by the NTA simultaneously, thereby NTA deciding to get UGC NET exam a green chit. And it declared that exams will be conducted from 24 September 2020 onwards and thereby relieving us from all the tensions. Remember students, in my previous video जो हमारा इसके पहले मैंने वीडियो आपको दिया था उसमें हमने आपको इंफॉर्मेशन दी है दैट एग्जाम इज बाउंड टू हैपन irrespective of anything because a public notice cannot go in vain, and it is a matter of so many lakhs of students who are preparing for this exam. The admit card is to be released soon on the website. You will be notified shortly. इसके साथ साथ students, the examination dates for the particular subject will also be released soon. इसलिए परेशान होने की बिल्कुल ये जरूरत नहीं है कि कौन से एग्जामिनेशन या कौन से सब्जेक्ट एग्जाम कब होगा. टाइम टेबल shall be released very shortly with the admit card also. So now students, you don't have to worry and you still have more than 1 week to go. And a lot can happen in this 1 week in the last moment by your revision of the portions of the paper 1 of your subject and with your crash course too, which we have all already done with you. And I have given you all the strategies, all the tips, all the crash course, all the test series on my classes. And I would also advise you to check the NTA website regularly for the admit cards and other details as well. So beware of such market staff who holds students breathe by rumoring the fake information. Always believe in the authentic students. With these words, students, I hope that you will come out with flying colors and make OSN proud of being a student of OSN. So God bless you students, and if you have any queries regarding the admissions, regarding your preparation under our guidance for our subjects, etc., you can comment or you can even call or WhatsApp. We are always with you. Thank you. God bless you.